Drip, drip, drip. Yeah, I'ma go make it go like drip, drip.
This is my favorite part of the show, right? Because we talk about all the sneaker drops of the week that are worth talking about. We talk about all the sneaker drops of the week that can make somebody some money. You feel me? Yeah. All right. So there's a lot to talk about. This week we had last week we had a crazy release, and it was between Adidas and the Arizona Tea Company. Right? If you guys are aware, Arizona,
I seen this. My man Johnny Platinum Plus got something. He dropping a mixtape for that joint.
Bro, so Arizona iced tea, right? So we had two different colorways, right? We had the Arizona green teas, which everybody knows.
Tim joint smoking right there. I like that.
And we had the Arizona iced teas, which also everybody knows. We got, both of those are the young ones. Let's go back to the first ones. So these are both the young ones, right? The silhouette by Adidas is called the Young One. It was introduced to us when they did the Dragon Ball Z collaboration a couple years ago, or a year ago. And it was a collaboration through Frieza, who's a Dragon Ball Z character, took on the silhouette of the Young One. That's how they introduced the silhouette. This is the silhouette right here. So this is the second best shoe that we got out of it, and it's the Arizona Tea Can. Are we feeling this?
I'm feeling that, man. I'm telling you, I buy that, man. My lady, she got
that teal sole really does it for me.
It
I really like that.
Exclusively through a pop-up in New York, right? So people lined up for it. It got rowdy, right? And why did this pop-up get rowdy? What is the most clear thing about an Arizona tea, or the most marketed part about the Arizona tea?
The price is on the can.
That joint is 99 cents.
Yeah, the price is on the can.
And guess how much that shoe cost at this pop-up, bro?
Nuh-uh.
This shoe costs 99 cents
Stop
per
it.
person, per pair at this New York pop-up,
That was
bro.
brilliant, man.
Right?
That was brilliant.
Supply and demand, dude. Shout out Adidas.
And the Arizona Tea Co. Shout out Adidas.
Dude, shout out Adidas. That's fire.
To the great Stan Smith. To the great Stan.
But what happened is, for a 99-cent shoe, that line was through the door. People got rowdy, and a lot of people got beat up. A lot of people got punched, and eventually the entire pop-up was shut down.
That was
right?
too much, man.
And
so
now
there's still
that
unreleased
shoe's
pairs.
doing $1,000, $1,600 on fucking StockX.
That means there's still unreleased pairs too.
And that also means they are going to do a worldwide release. We have to wait for it, but they're going to do a worldwide release, and it's going to be for $200. That's going to be the retail price, right? So everybody over there got it for that promo price,
markup.
a 99 cent. Well, yeah, bro. Like they gotta make some money back, right?
It's a piece of art, though. It look nice, man.
It's dope, bro. Phone homie, hit me up. Phone homie. Everybody on the station who has a show eventually has hit me up for sneakers. Right? I can think about 10 people off the top of my head. Phone homie has never hit me up looking for shoes. Phone homie hit my line and said, "Yo, I need these shits."
That's why your show important, because I remember back in the day, we just be calling them all.
Bro,
you got them.
You got them.
There's always some shorty on
You
break
out here making an impact
eating
TV.
in the funk.
They
sold out. Tim, it's a good.
I'll say it once, I'll say it again. I've said it once, I'll say it again. Top Drip Live is an institution in Washington, D.C.
Yeah.
We're getting people hip out here.
Man, that's what I'm saying. This is much easier than going, Yeah, this is much easier than just be calling the mall, man.
All right, so then we got to talk about one more collaboration. It's Nike and the homie Kyrie Irving. The Kyrie 5 and their collaboration with Spongebob right here. Spongebob Squarepants. Let's take a look at it. I want to look at this Spongebob Squarepants collaboration.
The Squidwards are fire. Yeah. And I love the Mr. Krabs.
Can everybody name who? Let's see if everybody can name what they are.
SpongeBob stuff?
Yeah. So the one all the way on the right. Right? What do you guys think? Who do you think that is?
That's Patrick.
That's Patrick. What's the one from the farthest to the left to the fourth one?
Mr. Krabs.
That's Mr. Krabs. Then SpongeBob.
SpongeBob. No, that's Squidward.
Squidward. And then Sandy?
Yeah, Sandy.
Bro, Sandy got the firest one.
Yeah,
bro.
I'm saying Squidward and Sandy's are fucking heat.
Sandy got the most fire one, bro. That shit's fire. Are you feeling them? You fucking with these joints?
Yes.
Are you going to ball in them? You can't just wear them out. You going to ball in them?
I don't know, man. Some of them, man. I don't know. They look vicious. I just didn't see no swan. I didn't see it.
Yo, Andy, which one you like? Which one you like the best out of the 5?
Bro, Sandy got the most fire. I don't like the flower.
Which one is the
flower
Sandy?
Makes it feminine.
Sandy
the
is
one's
the
all
white.
the way in the corner, all the way in the left. The flower makes it feminine, but I think the color is fantastic. I also like the Mr. Krabs a lot.
The Mr. Krabs are very fire.
The Mr.
like
Krabs is the red ones, right?
Yeah,
them joints look just sick.
Them joints
the lime off the pink. I don't know.
That's Patrick.
That look cute on some kids.
Yeah.
That look cute on a child.
Yeah.
But them blue joints, them joints is nice. I can't play the raincoat joint. Raincoat. Them joints look like those school raincoat joint with the hood.
I'm definitely digging them, bro. I'm definitely digging them.
You could pull, man. You got that. You know what I'm saying? You'll kill that.
I'm digging them. All right, let's go back really fast because I want to talk about the Arizona Adidas collaboration in depth, right? So let's go back to the first shoe.
That's dope. That look like the 80s. Yeah. That look like
we talked about the young one. So this is the green tee. This one right here, the next one after this is the iced tee. Both of those are the young ones, right? So the other shoe that they did was the Continental 80, right? Which is a really popular Adidas shoe. So they did the green tee for that one. And I like the black laces on this joint a lot for some reason. I'm feeling the black laces. And they also did the iced tee for this one as well.
I like that. That look like an old Lee Cox Sport Tee sweatsuit.
So you like that? You like the iced tee?
Yeah,
that was dangerously specific.
Don't that joint look like a Lee Cox Sport Tee sweatsuit, Tom?
That joint's dangerously
or
specific.
Sergio joint.
Yeah, big facts. I'm definitely feeling the whole collaboration. The Continental 80 is a really dope shoe. The Continental 80 is basically what the foundation of the Calabasas is. So I'm definitely feeling
that look like 80. Government women used to wear that shoe to work with the ball in the back. Footy shoe.
I'm dead. All right, the last thing we got to talk about this week is Nike SB and their collaboration with Dutch artist Parra. They collaborated. They made a Nike SB Dunk Low, and they also did a Blazer GT. Right. So we got the Dunk Low on the left, the Blazer GT on the right. They're coming out this Saturday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. This Friday. Are we feeling up? They collaborate with Parra a lot. Parra always creates high-ticket collaborations at the end of the day. So the most expensive Parra collaboration, I think, goes for $1,500, $1,800. The most cheap one, the last one, I think, goes for like $400 or $500 now. So these are definitely going to do numbers in the future. But are we feeling them right now?
I like them joints.
You like them joints, the Dunk Lows or the Blazers?
Like I just wouldn't
the
lace
right or the
them
left?
like that. The front joints look like somebody smashed the top of them.
The right or the left?
The one here.
The one on the right? The one on the right? Okay. Yeah.
That's why they stopped me from driving that night. Yeah.
I definitely like them.
Them joints right there is tight, though.
Compared to other stuff that they've done with Parra, I feel like this was a lazier approach. They've done a lot flyer stuff with Parra.
I think they could have did something with the bottom like they did the inside of the shoe.
There's a lot of white space for me. There's a lot of white space. There should be less white space. Yeah.
I'm not gonna lie though. The joints that's to my right, them joints look like they bootleg. They look like you can buy them joints down at the wharf.
You get those on Canal after the joints on the left release, right?
Yeah, them joints the ones near you look fantastic. But the other ones, they need to take the check off that.
Big facts.
Take the check off. They did too much with the check on the front of that.
So that's the last shoe we gotta talk about today. So that's the whole show basically. You had a good time?
Man, I had a fantastic time.
So that's what we like to do. I like to talk about all the shoes coming out, all the dope clothes coming out this week. So we talked about Stone Island and Nike this week. Supreme's out of season. We'll usually talk about Supreme. We'll talk about what Bape is going to drop, all of that. But that's what Talk Drip Live is all about, bro. People can buy these shoes.
You got the baddest Bape jacket ever. Bro. I still want that goddamn jacket.
Bro.
That jacket, vicious.
DJ Clark Kent complimented me also on that jacket. Like, I was pretty hyped about that.
Man, I heard they got a vintage store for it now.
A word?
Yeah, man.
Big facts. So, like, we're talking about the Hip Hop Museum. We was all at the Hip Hop Museum. The Hip Hop Museum is still open in D.C. If you guys are there, they have the largest selection of hip-hop memorabilia sneakers in the country, if I'm correct. Biggest selection ever. It's right there in Northeast Washington, D.C. DJ Clark Kent was there with us during the opening. It was dope. Black Indian was there. I was there. DJ Boom was there. Dave Mays was there. We were all there. It was a dope event. Thank you for coming on to this show, bro. I appreciate you.
Anytime.
WLVS Radio, Listen Vision Live, Talk Drip Live. This was episode 35. We'll be back for episode 36 next week. We got a lot more to talk about coming up. You guys got to like, comment, subscribe. Turn on those post notifications. If you guys don't turn on those post notifications, you won't know when I drop new videos. You won't know when stuff comes out. You miss out on it, then you'll have to pay a ridiculous amount on the resale market. You don't want to do that. I'm trying to prevent you from doing that. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe, make sure you turn on those post notifications. We'll be back next week, episode 36. This is Talk Drip Live. Everybody make some noise.
Yeah.
You know that's a recipe, hey, we'll make it rain so heavily. Like drip, drip, drip. Yeah, I'ma go make it go like drip, drip. Cash got me splashing it. Game got me passionate, added up, counting it. Might just surrounding it, see, but won't fasten it. Rari ain't crashing it, all red, I'm flashing it. Checks, I've been cashing it. Ranch got me dabbing it, yeah, I've been dabbling. Haters been babbling, no, I ain't having it, nah.
Thought I couldn't rap